Welcome to Integrated Spectrum of Health. I'm Lynn Jocelyn, a functional medicine physician assistant. I'm excited to bring you short, quick videos that will equal empowerment and support you on your path to optimal wellness. Today, my quick video will talk about foods that promote cardiometabolic health. Cardiometabolic health has to do with your cardiovascular system, your vessels, your heart, decreases your risk for stroke, heart attack, as well as decreases the inflammation in your overall system, which has a preventative effect for things like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and other chronic illnesses that have the root cause of inflammation. So let's go through these. To begin with, you want to eat foods that are phytonutrient rich. Phytonutrients are small micronutrients typically found in the rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Each different color of fruits and vegetables contains different phytonutrients. And the phytonutrients actually work as cofactors or support in biochemical enzymatic reactions in every cell in our system. You can find these compounds in arugula, green leafy vegetables. These things are specifically, the phytonutrients are specifically supportive for cardiometabolic health. Also, resveratrol is a phytonutrient found in grapes and red wine. And then astringent compounds found in green tea work favorably on pathways to support the cell and cardiometabolic balance. There are so many phytonutrients that I can't even begin to go into them, but it's quite fascinating how they can support your health. Quality fats. We used to think if you had heart disease or high cholesterol, you wanted to do everything low fat. That's not actually the case. What we're finding is high quality fats, things such as avocado, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, wild caught fish, nuts, seeds, all actually improve the quantity and quality of cholesterol in your body. So it's not as simple as just cutting the fat out to help prevent your risk of heart disease. You actually want and need quality fats for the systems in your body to function at their optimal. Low sugar. This is another big area of change. Unfortunately, in the 90s when the low-fat diets were touted to be super helpful and supportive for cardiometabolic health. What they did, what a lot of the food industry did, is they removed the fats, but then they had to add something to support that texture and flavor change so that the sugar content in things went up. And so actually disease got worse. And we know that sugar in the body, excessive sugar, creates inflammation and actually triggers lipogenesis in the liver, which creates more triglycerides, which are part of our cholesterol panel. So it also, high sugar diets put you at risk for diabetes, Alzheimer's, and other chronic illness. So instead of high sugars, you want to, and as you're bringing the sugar down in your diet, it's important to increase your proteins and fats and have high quality fats and proteins to support your body and limit those sugar cravings. You want to think about non-starchy vegetables, quality protein, like I said, in beans, nuts, seeds, and then quality sustainably raised grass-fed animal protein. And if you find sources that do regenerative agriculture, that can actually be beneficial for the environment. Foods low in glycemic index. What that means is foods that don't cause your blood sugar to spike and then drop real quickly. So cakes, candies, sugars, those things, your blood sugar goes up, and then maybe 40 minutes later, you have a big drop because your sugar drops. What you want is low glycemic index foods, blueberries, raspberries, eaten along with high quality protein and fats, and that creates a more balanced blood sugar in the body, not the quick spikes. High fiber. Fiber is found in plant-based foods, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. It's a form of a carbohydrate. The body does not digest fiber. And so it will cause you to feel more full if you make sure you have enough fiber in your diet. It also moves our elimination through. And it's really important to have a bowel movement every day. And making sure you have enough fiber in your diet supports that daily movement. Now, with fiber, it is important to increase your fiber on a daily basis. But if you go from, say, 10 grams of fiber a day to 35 within the next 24 hours, this may actually bind you up. So you want to climb to that 30 to 35 grams of fiber a day slowly, maybe over 5 to 7 days, and then make that your regular routine, mostly in fruits, vegetables, and high quality grains. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope you can bring 1 or 2 new things into your daily food intake that will support your health. I look forward to seeing you at the next educational video. Have a great day.